Good afternoon, everyone. How are you today? I hope you are fine. My name is Budi. I'm from Ganesha University of Education, English Language Education Study Program. In this opportunity, I would like to explain about history of Internet topic. I chose this topic because maybe not many people know about the history of the Internet, so I want to explain to everyone about the history of the Internet. Now, I will talk about definition of Internet, then history of Internet, and the last one is conclusion. Let's start with definition of Internet. Who has never heard the term Internet today? Almost everyone from children to adults or even the elderly are familiar with the term. Internet stands for interconnection networking, which means a global communication network that connects billions of computer networks around the world using communication media such as satellites and telephones. There are several general definitions of the Internet which are explained by experts, including the following. The first expert is O'Brien. According to O'Brien, the Internet is a computer network that is growing very rapidly where the use of the Internet can bring benefits and positive impacts to the world of education, business, and government. The second expert is Berners-Lee. According to Berners-Lee, the Internet is a network consisting of several networks in it. The concept means a local computer network that is connected to other networks. The third expert is Sarwono. According to Sarwono, the notion of the Internet itself is a collection of networks with a scale global where no one is responsible for driving the Internet itself. So, it is about definition of Internet. Next, we move to history of Internet. Internet is a computer network formed by the Department of Defense, United States in 1969 through an agency Project ARPA that developed a network called the ARPANET, where they demonstrated how to hardware and software-based computer Unix. The initial purpose of the construction project was for military purposes. At the time, the United States Department of Defense created System Computer Network, distributed by connecting computers in vital areas to solve problems in the event of attack, nuclear, and to avoid centralized information, which in case of war can be easily destroyed. At the first, ARPANET only connected 4 sites, namely the Stanford Research Institute, University of California, Santa Barbara, University of Utah, where they formed an integrated network in 1969, and in general, the ARPANET was introduced in October 1972. It was not long before the project expanded rapidly across the region, and all the universities in the country want to join, making it difficult for the ARPANET to manage. Therefore, the ARPANET was divided into two, namely MILNET for military purposes and the new, smaller ARPANET, Advanced Research Project Agency Network, for non-military purpose such as universities. The combination of the two networks eventually became known as DARPA Internet, which was later simplified to become the Internet. Alright, it is about history of Internet. Now, I would like to give conclusion about my material. Internet stands for interconnection networking, which means a global communication network that connects billions of computer networks around the world using communication media such as satellites and telephones. Internet was formed by the Department of Defense United States in 1969 through an agency Project ARPA that developed a network called the ARPANET, where they demonstrated how to hardware and software-based computer Unix. Alright, that's all about history of internet. I hope you can understand for my presentation. Thank you for your attention. Good afternoon and have a nice day.